Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Figma and want to keep your workspace clean and distraction-free, you've probably wondered if it's possible to hide frame names. Well, in today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do just that. By the end of this video, you'll know a simple way to hide those frame names, which can really help declutter your design view, especially when you're sharing screens with others or just want a more minimal look. Let's get right into it and walk through the steps together. First, open up Figma. This can be your desktop app or you can do it right from your browser, whichever you prefer. Take a moment to go to the file where you want to hide your frame names. Sometimes frame labels can get a little overwhelming, especially if your project has lots of sections, so this is going to be handy. Once you're in your Figma file, look towards the bottom of your window. You'll see a circular button labeled Actions. You might have to move your mouse down there for it to pop up. Go ahead and click on Actions. This is sort of like your backstage pass. It lets you access plugins, widgets, and other powerful Figma tools that aren't obvious at first glance. Now in the menu that appears, find and select Plugins and Widgets. Think of plugins like little add-ons or power-ups that extend what Figma can do for you. In this search box at the top, type in Hide Frame Names. Figma will search its community marketplace for plugins that match your query. Don't worry if it takes a moment to load. Figma's plugin search can sometimes be a little slow, especially if your internet's busy. You should see an app pop up named Hide Frame Names. Now, quick heads up, depending on how the plugin creator set things up, you might see a note saying you need a license key or maybe there's a free trial. Don't worry if you have to request a key or sign up. It's pretty common for community plugins, and they usually just want to make sure you're using the most up-to-date version. Once you've got access to the plugin, go ahead and run it. This is where the magic happens. With just one click, the plugin hides all those extra frame labels that usually clutter up your workspace. And don't worry, this only affects what you see while designing. Your layers and structure are all perfectly intact. It's kind of like putting away your tools in a drawer. Everything is still there, but you've cleared up your immediate view so you can focus on the artwork itself. And honestly, that's all there is to it. This method helps you keep your workspace clean if you want to do some heads-down designing or share progress with a client without all the behind-the-scenes labels showing up. If you ever want to see your frame names again, just turn off or uninstall the plugin. Nothing's permanently changed, so you can go back at any time. Alright, that wraps up this quick tutorial on how to hide frame names in Figma. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. And if you have any questions or if you run into issues with the plugin or license key, just drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more Figma tips and design tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.